5, the rain back with it. The ball is getting back in 30 seconds. Easy, let's go. Realize those big 40-pound balls are going to be swinging back and forth, right? Race. It's all about race. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got this. I got this. You ready? Yes, that is impossible. Oh, rings. What I want to know is what part of the chicken nuggets come from. Can someone tell me this, please? I mean, where's the working part of the race is chickens?
Hilarious observation. Please,
And don't get me started on airplane food. I noticed that you're a stand-up comedian. Where am I? I am a police officer. Do I report an airport racing brand? What's the deal with the racing brand? Is it racist? Is it brand? I don't know.
please, please. It's not about reasons or the brand. It's about future and living your dreams. Never like them.
Oh, that's
Who likes parades?
It's going to be Paris. No minutes. No one.
Oh, come on, parades are fun.
One time, I was a parade. It was appropriate to the parade. People called the police. Now he's not allowed to be in parades. What do you know horses? Play the keys. Hey, guys.
So, you all know what I'm doing. Felicia.
Well,
anyway, she's the parade director of this year's parade. Parade?
I never heard that.
Exactly. She's the parade to help raise awareness of parades. Anyway, I sort of promised Felicia. I get some of my most creative students to be able to float and perform.
In the parade.
Yes, so who would like to? How about you? Would you guys like to do a float and do a song in the parade? For sweet baby segments?
No.
All right, if you want to be on national television, where all kinds of Hollywood producers and casting directors will see you, that's truly doing me.
Wait.
Yes.
This parade's going to be on national television?
Yep.
Well, it's going to be on national. Give me keys back. Where's my house key? I'll take the nurse. I saw it. We'll see it. Ew, Jay, you're already. Oh, no, no, I'm going to pageant. We have it?
Where have you been?
I joined a prison gang. What do you mean? Well, this is what I mean. I'm feeling lazy, so I'm keeping myself. They invited me to join a prison gang. And you said yes. I told the gang they're going to make us special t-shirts.
I'll be there waiting after dark in the truck. We need to jump that across the border and right on this food shack country.
We're trying to get out of
Oh, come on, I'm supposed to be right there.
Huh? It's my prison gang friend. I don't know.
I'm waiting in the truck behind there tomorrow night after dark. See you.
Hey, what's that doing? Hips, 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 hips. Eat, 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 eat,